Guys, welcome back. Dubai Keys. We have Lunar here. So you want to check out Lunar's airdrop. Market data is tracked. Currently on the watch list about 11.687 million users, ranked at 3,650 out of 860 18,000 tokens on CoinMarketCap. So you want to check out more research here, guys, for this project to see the price movement. Market data is circulating, supply has not been verified. But the official website is here. Audit has been done by Cetic, Lunar.io, Binance Smart Chain Project, Lunar Crystal, NFT Airdrop, participate in Lunar. So you have 12 days remaining for this airdrop. All you need to do, click on this and you're good to go. Make sure you add it to your watch list, which is step one. Add it to your watch list. It's going to see Lunar Crystal has been done. Add it to your watch list. Make sure your watch list is set at public. From March 1st to March 21. So 140 NFTs, that's what they're giving away. Special kind of NFTs. So Lunar Crystals are a collection of NFTs that unlock special powers for users when plugged into the Lunar ecosystem. They also generate NNR tokens, taking rewards. There are 8 different crystal types of varying rarities, each with their own unique powers. Unlock special perks, discounts, and abilities throughout the Lunar ecosystem, and percentage of LNR transactions in reflection. So Lunar aims to streamline the entire process of crypto NFT trading into a single interconnected platform with a seamless user experience. So I think that's the utilities. Those are part of the utilities, guys. For participation, make sure add it to your watch list. Follow them on your social media handles: Twitter, Discord, Facebook, Reddit, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, and more, guys. We tweet their pin post, tag your friends too. We do recommend you tag as much friends if possible. It could increase the chances. Then join the Telegram community, stay active. Hopefully, you get selected and noticed. So, guys, that's basically it. This was the airdrop they did some while back. So, I think this is the second one. So, guys, peace out, Shibaki. See you in our future uploads. Stay safe, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.